Wise Chechen Proverbs and Sayings, ancient wisdom of the Nokhchi people. A stray dog will not escape a beating. He who has just gotten rich lights a candle during the day. Beauty lasts until evening, kindness lasts until death. A good horse needs only to be shown the whip. On the road, even a stick is a companion. He who avoids learning will end up working for him who learned. A beautiful girl looks good even in an old dress. When the head is empty, the legs suffer. A purebred chick begins to sing in the nest. What you like is beautiful. He who looks for a friend without fault will remain without a friend. God gives wisdom to him whose tongue is tied. You cannot make a horse out of a donkey foal. Sow your seeds where the sun shines. Where you sow seeds, shade will appear. The desire to have much deprives you of what you have. A worthy man is never without friends. If the ox is not thin, the family will not be fat. Gold is valued most where it is mined. The son's soul is in the mother's heart. The early rising shepherd's sheep gives birth to twins. Fire and water do not get along. One single spark can burn down a village. Friendship with immoral people breaks at the first test. Two united people can overcome a disunited village. A plucked apple will not grow back onto the branch. A friend is better when old. A fur coat is better when new. He who has no money has no need for a lock. Work as if you will never die. Be kind to people as if you will die tomorrow. Without looking ahead, do not take a step. Without looking back, do not utter a word. He who does not respect people, people will not respect him. Enmity with the worthy is better than kinship with the unworthy. The cat, unable to reach the fat, says she is fasting. Where a guest does not go, goodness does not go either. He who is willing finds work. He who is unwilling finds an excuse. Empty vessels ring loudest. Praise the gelding, but mount the stallion. When you are hungry, it seems you will never be full. When you are full, it seems you were never hungry. The flow of the river does not diminish the water. When death threatens, even a mouse will bite. A kind word can move a mountain. He who lives by the river knows the ford. He who has 2 wives has no need for a dog. In the moment, a lie may seem better, but in the end, the truth prevails. Movement is a young man's happiness. Peace is a maiden's happiness. He who is very tired does not choose his pillow. A thorn grows sharp from birth. An eagle is born only in the mountains. Tell your daughter so that your daughter-in-law may hear. If you get dirty, do not spare the water. If there is no honor in the home, there will be none outside its walls either. He who looks for the faults of his relatives will remain without relatives. A girl praised by her mother falls in value. A fool brags about his wife, but a madman brags about himself. The husband of a good wife will not be poorly dressed. A fool, when he gets rich, takes a second wife. A wise man builds a new house. A horse is known when it gets tired. A man is known when he becomes poor. If there were no clouds, there would be no rain. If there were no sorrow in the heart, the eye would not weep. A mother's anger is like snow. It falls heavily, but melts quickly. If you want to know a man, look at his friends. Which proverb touched your heart the most? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wisdom. See you in the next video.